Guys, good morning. So 7 a.m. pa lang ngayon. And nandito kami ngayon sa Rob. Sumabay na ako kala mama since dito rin naman yung terminal ko papuntang school. So guys, papasok na ako ng school. Nakalimutan ko dalhin yung mic ko kasi bumili ako ng mic para pag nag-vlog mas maayos. Nandito na ako ngayon sa school and magre-reveal lang ako. 2 yung quiz namin ngayong araw and 10 pa yung pasok ko talaga and 8 pa lang ngayon. 8 a.m. pa lang. So yan. Magre-review muna ako then babalik ako later. Hey guys! So I'm back and kakauwi ko lang galing school. So mag-early dinner ako and then after nun siguro maligo ulit ako. Tapos dire-diretso na yun. Gagawa na ako ng schoolwork. Ang dami naming research. Then meron pa kaming long quiz tomorrow. So yeah, I'll update you guys. So yung ulam nila is langganisa.
Sino ba yan?
Mama ko. Lunch time, guys. Sisig. Sa kanya sisig din. So, tapos na yung school. School! Wala na kaming klase. I'm here with Leslie and McLaren. Ay, ang ganda mo. We're heading outside. We're heading outside! So, punta kami sa Kikais. Bibili lang kami ng burger, tsaka shake. May shake doon, no? Or Graham? Okay.
Oo, meron.
Mas mahal pa yung merienda kaysa sa lunch. Grabe. Hey guys, so nandito ako ngayon sa SM and nandito pala sila. So, yeah. Nag-eat lang kami ng dinner. For dinner, we have lasagna and chicken.
Which is actually made to look like substance that is very gay.
Okay na?
Hey guys, ayan, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kahapon kasi nasa bahay lang ako tapos ay nagpapahinga lang kami. Ayan, nandito kami sa Fiero Beach Resort sa Zambales and as you can see, itong part na to, hindi pa siya tapos. Dito yung room nila mama. Wow, malaki din pala.
Dito na lang para sa nila.
Then, ayan. Ito yung room naman namin sa taas. Bali, 2 room yung kinuha namin. So, ito yung vibe here paggabi. What time is it, guys? So, dito na kami mag-swimming. Tapos na kami sa Sobrang dry ng hair ko. Kasi yung tubig din na pinanligo ko is galing siyang dagat. So, yeah, sobrang dry niya. So, yan, may nag-swim na. Tao ba yun? Or aso? Dito lang guys. Dito lang sa baba yung may internet. Dun sa taas, wala. Hey guys. View sa sa resort na to. So, ayun. Yung place niya, 8.5/10. Since hindi pa kasi siya tapos, may ginagawa pa dun sa labas. Food, kagabi. Na-try naman namin. Okay naman yung food. Yung wifi nila, hindi abot sa taas. Tapos, yung galing sa dagat, yung water nila dun sa CR. Parang hindi ko rin naligo. Ayun, I think naman dito sa dagat, sobrang alon niya pala. Sobrang alon niya. Tapos, ang lalim. So, ayun, mamayang 12 PM, yun na yung check-out namin. Tapos, ayun, chill lang here sa baba.
See right now, I need you, I'll meet you somewhere now. You up now, I see you, I get you. Take care now, slow down, be cool, I miss you. Come here now, it's yours now. Keep it, I'll hold on until now. I need you right now. Once I leave you, I'm stronger. If I get you, I'm slowly breaking down. And oh, it's hard to see you, but I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking we could never be a pair. Oh no, I don't need you, but I miss you. Come here. And oh, it's hard to see you, but I wish you were right here. Oh, it's hard to leave you when I get you everywhere. All this time I'm thinking I'm strong enough to sink it. Oh.
Hey guys, so today is March 30 and it's my birthday. So we had a simple celebration here at Blue Shaka in Clark Freeport. Well, we chose this place because it's near the airport and my sister's flight to Dubai is also today. So we just ate here and spent some time together. So the food here is great. I really love their pizza. Well, I actually saw this cafe on TikTok a lot, so we finally decided to try it out. And I'm so happy because I finally started vlogging in uni, even if it's just a clips for now, since it's really hard to vlog on campus. But yeah, please bear with me. I am truly grateful for my life and for all the love I've received. Thank you for supporting my hobby in vlogging because I really love taking clips and editing. Well, I just wish I had more free time to continue this consistently.